How to replace the USB board. Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the motherboard. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the two USB board ZIF connectors and disconnect the two USB board ribbon cables from the USB board. Disconnect the power cable from the connector on the USB board. Remove the four 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Lift the USB board off of the alignment pins, guide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the top cover, and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the USB board.